Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae icon fully endorses Reggae Gold Awards ceremony. The Reggae Gold Awards ceremony, staged by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, seeks to honor 50 icons, individuals and groups who have contributed to the development of music over the years. The initiative has gotten the full endorsement from reggae icon Jimmy Cliff.
So I think it is a very good thing that the Ministry of Culture, I think it is, see it fit to present a Reggae Gold, a Golden Award to people who belong in that category. I think it is very fitting to honor these people who was there from the beginning, contributing to make it what it has become. I think it is a fitting and great thing that is being done.
The event, slated for tonight at the National Indoor Sports Center, celebrates 50 years of reggae music. During the event, Assistant Director General for Culture at UNESCO, Ernesto Ramirez, will present Culture Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange with the official document declaring the inscription of reggae as an intangible cultural heritage. The short list of inductees into the Reggae Hall of Fame, naming of reggae icons and special awardees will also be announced during the event. The Reggae Gold Awards ceremony, a main activity for Reggae Month 2019, will feature performances from some of the biggest names in reggae, including Barris Hammond, Marcia Griffiths, Taurus Riley, Sizzler, and it will be live on RETV. Music and high-energy performances conquered Region 1. The RJ Gleaner cross-country invasion recently took the vibes to the road as they invaded locations in Halfway Tree, Portmore Mall, Spanish Town and Old Harbour. The first leg of the 4-week-long tour featured performances from top acts and breakout stars who performed to the delight of the patrons.
Every day we a swap them. Louis the promise. I know. See we no two string me no like. Have me two black me like.
Pass and feed, homework and read. Uniform and things in this whole seas. Pray for them blessings and keep them from evil. Beat the odds so your picnic feel evil.
Level. I don't know any bad man. Who you go so?
The high energy was in full swing at the last stop, the Family Fun Day at the Dindhill Technical High School in Linstead. Gear up for more wholesome entertainment from top acts like Nesbeth and Maka Diamond, as well as Styler G. As the RJ Gleaner Cross Country Invasion Roadshow takes on locations in Region 2 this Saturday. Look out, we're coming to a town near you. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.